Hey y'all. So, you know how to start off with my Starbucks because I need a little bit of energy for this one. We are going to be reviewing the RevAir hair dryer. Oh my goodness, when I tell y'all, it is a life hack, game changer, whatever you want to call it. My life has changed forever. Okay, so you want to start off with freshly washed hair, of course. I'm using my Kim Kimble heat protectant and I put a little oil on there and I'm gonna put this on my hair, and this is gonna be I do detangle, and this is gonna be in real time, so you'll be able to see how fast this blow dryer really works. So there is a hot setting, a medium setting, hot, low, and then cool, as far as how you want the air to be temperatured. There's also 7 suction settings. So say you have a wash and go and you don't want it to be sucked out too hard where it takes all the curl out, you can turn the suction down. I usually do mine on about 2. So of course I'm doing this blow dry very straight, so I have the setting on 7, which is the highest one. And this is, I would say, I left it on a little bit longer. I try to get the roots. I pull the dryer, smash the dryer up to my scalp and just kind of rotate it around, and that'll get the roots dry as well. Or you can just do the hair, then go back in with the blow dryer and make sure it's dry all the way to the root with the real blow dryer. But yes, this is so convenient. Oh my goodness, it saved me so much time, so much heartache. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. And I didn't have to go through any pulling, no tension, no combing, no brushing. It is amazing. Y'all have to invest in this. Is a great investment. I'm gonna also do another video when it comes to how I stretch my wash and goes with it, because oh my god, it gets my hair all even all the way around, you know, depending on how long you leave it on there. And I just go in with my water and just spritz my ends a little bit to keep that curl at the end. It is just amazing, y'all. Just keep watching. And it really just depends on the thickness of your hair, of the size sections that you want to work in. I like to do mine in a smaller section just so I know that my roots are dry as well. I'm still going to go in with the regular blow dryer just to make sure that my roots are not wet, because I'm thinking I might flat iron my hair, but I'm not really completely sure, and I'm very impatient. But if you leave it on your hair, it's going to dry from root to end, and it is just amazing. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I love the fact that you can change the setting to cool or on low, because I know a lot of people, like I have color on my hair, and sometimes I don't want to put heat on it. Sometimes I use the low heat, and sometimes I use the cool setting, depending on the style that I am going to do. So I can definitely blow dry on the cool setting and do a good twist out or whatever it is that I'm looking for to get that stretched look where it doesn't have to be bone straight. I really only need the high heat if I'm gonna flat iron the hair, but the low heat works just as fine. The cool works just as fine. You know, it just leaves a little bit of texture to the hair. As you can see, I am half done already. Wow. And so this is the finished product, y'all. Like in almost half the time it would take me to blow dry my hair. It's so thick. I'm just amazed with this product, with this invention, with this tool. I'm just excited that I have something that actually works, because I'm so tender-headed, and it really helps prevent breakage and help you retain length. I'm just going in with the blow dryer just to go over my roots one good time. And yeah, if you don't have this RevAir tool, you got to spend the money and get it. It is an investment, don't get me wrong. You will not regret buying this. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm just giving y'all my real raw review. So here it is, y'all. This is the finished product. I didn't put anything else on my hair. All I did was Bantu knot it, just to kind of show y'all like how it would come out without any extra manipulation. Just blow dried and put into whatever wave style that you like. I know some people use the flexi rods. I can't sleep with them, and I just didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair. I just did this so it wouldn't be all over the place and frizzy looking. But this is the finished product. I'm so happy about this. If you guys don't have the RevAir, go ahead and invest and get one. It's definitely worth your money. So until next time, okay, I will see y'all later. Bye.